Hi everyone, this is the Legendary R back again with more Lego. But this time it is Cole's blaster bike. And right now we'll just be building it. Let's get to this. Okay, so my tablet is not 100%, so I had to basically cut this short. This back, side, I'm trying. Here's the bottom, there is the top. We take from the top, and now let's open this and try and get to building. Come on. Come on, my friends. Let's see how long this takes for me to build this blaster bike. Put some of these Legos over to the side. And there are 2 bags, 1 instruction book. Oh, whatever. No, let's get to this now. I really wanna clear this piece off here, but I just can't. So if you can't see the pile of bricks, which I care that you can. I can barely see it myself, so yeah. Let's try and see. Okay, so now I got the bricks. Let's find this instruction manual, which they will always tell me that I need to build the minifigures first. So I got my screamers. Got my Screamer Bros over here that I will get into in the review. And got my Ghost Buddy Cowler back when I was evil. So yeah. Let's see, how do I put this stuff together? Just trying to build it really quick, because I just don't have enough energy. I just feel like there. So done with the minifigures. Well, almost all of them. Just need to build Cole, but let me just flip the page and get to the building, because I don't need to waste too much time on this. Me building something that's not the blaster bike, so try and hurry here. Come on. Come on, don't give me any more problems. Got one thing. Uh-oh, Cole is headless. Okay, so put on your suits. Come on, we need your suit. Bro, we need your suit on. And now, let's get to this arrow. Let's get to this arrow blade or something. Trying to figure out how do they create this arrow blade that I speak of. because because this isn't, this is gonna be a time lapse, so I kinda do not care how long I take me building this blaster bike here. So my very first Aeroblade. Cool. So now what's next? They just tell you that one of the screamers needs a piece of food. Okay, so now that's there. Thought it was snap. Let's get to building this real quick. Do this like a master builder would. Except for kinda don't know what I'm doing. So let me tell you about this set while I'm here. For starters, I have to say that the set is pretty cool. I kept staring at it like, yeah, I want this set. So I decided to pay for it. Are you glad that I'm here? Are you glad that I'm here trying to do this impossible task for me and you? And let's see. So it was the only one at Target, which is where I got it from, which seems to be the only place where I could get these sets from, I guess. It seems reasonable to find Lego sets at Target. Just, it sounds and feel right. Just to me. I don't know how everyone else feels, but that's just how I feel. Let's see. Trying to speed up a little bit. Too bad I can't time lapse the time lapse. Can't time lapse this time lapse. Come on. So it was the last one I wanted to set. Then again, I also kind of wanted to run an REX. But then I couldn't do a time lapse on the REX. Did not have enough money for the REX. The thing was, I wasn't gonna pay for the. Wasn't gonna wait for the REX because I wanted to do a Lego video last night, but I couldn't because I couldn't think of nothing to do. And I really should be charging my 3DS for some videos here. But I am not doing that, am I? The answer is I'm not. Let's see if I know I'm not the most interesting here. Just me looking at paper. Paper telling me what to do. Wait, I just realized this. Instructions is just paper telling you what to do. Why? Why must we listen to this paper that I speak of? The reason is because if you do not listen to the paper, then you don't have what you're trying to accomplish. So if you have your Skylar thing, the little hoverboard that Skylar has, then you probably know how to create this one part, but you just might not have all the pieces to the set. So that's the only bad part about this whole situation. Okay. Just as a little hard for me trying to do this. I think it's Ray, so there. Oh, forgot to put on this little claw. Wow, so if I get this set 3 times, even though it would cost a whole lot of money. So if I get this set 3 times, then that'll be good. Just was a fire, just dealt with it. Don't worry about that. Let's get to this. Well, Cowler's dragon is ready. Cowler, your dragon is ready for you. So I'm just gonna build the engine, and then we gonna try and hurry up, because it's gonna take me a whole day just for me to upload this to YouTube. And I say hi to that, because I did this on Sunday. So if you see this video uploaded on a Monday, and then I could tell you that it was uploaded on August 2nd. Well, it was created August 2nd. I'm almost done. Just wait, what? How is this true? Oh, I was gonna say, you saw that, right? I have no other piece that I need. Gonna go and call the Lego people. Let's go call some Lego people. See how we could tell them about. Let's see what we're gonna tell them about this time. Let's see. Come on. And now let's just try to snap on a few pieces. There. Looks pretty cool. I'm not really even looking at the model itself. I'm building based off of the instructions, but I am not really trying to focus on what I am doing in real life. It's just weird. It's weird. It's cool. It's not like I'm trying to go to school. There, I rhymed. This is supposed to be an engine. Well, the main pieces of the car. Let's build this. Come on, build it quicker. If I could do this whole thing before my battery runs down and the camera shuts off, then I'm good. And so, now that is it for the first part of the set. Ah, yes. Extra pieces. Oh, do I love you so. Let's get to the second bag here. Real quick. Then I'm gonna do another video, and that one will be the review on this set. Possibly my thoughts on the set too. So, just trying to move some stuff out of my way so I can get to the set now. Now I have pieces of all kinds. This is just horrible. This is probably one of my worst ideas ever. I always have a hard time trying to do some time lapse, but trying to create some Lego things. Okay, so this is just one time thing. I hope I just have to do this one time, but of course, you know Lego, gotta make you do it twice. They should have just told you twice for both sides, but they didn't. They wasted paper. They wasted paper, and now so it was the last thing at Target, last one at Target, and it had the Air Jitsu Coal, so, and it had the Ronin REX, the Titan Mech Battle, but this is all I could afford, so just decided to get it, because I wanted to have a new set, a new Lego set. But I didn't want another Air Jitsu Flyer until well, the REX does Air Jitsu. See. Wait. Do I have this right? Nope. Got it backwards. Come on. No matter how long I take this, just... Okay, now I need to hurry, because I know that this thing does not go that long, over 20 minutes. Okay, so... got to end this video, and... possibly do another one. Guess this is gonna be it for now. So whenever the camera shuts off, which it might soon, so like if you want, and subscribe for more awesomeness. See you next time. Bye, and I'm proven to be legendary.